Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 3 MCQ 1 to 30. I am telling again, this is our fifth number lecture, topic chapter 3 MCQ number 1 to 30. So dear students, let's start our class directly with the MCQ. So look at the first one. Here I have written also chapter 3 MCQ 1 to 30. So look, the nutrition of DAP fertilizer. Option, nutrient of DAP fertilizer, nutrition, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Which of the following is correct? So nutrient of DAP fertilizer represent nitrogen and phosphorus, that means 1 and 2. Nutrient of DAP fertilizer represents nitrogen and phosphorus. Next, which nutrient elements does urea fertilizer supply? A. Sulfur, B. Nitrogen, C. Calcium and D. Phosphorus. It is urea fertilizer supply, it is nitrogen. 3. How is new plant of sugar cane produced? A. Through root, through stem, through seed, D number through bulb. Okay, sugar cane produced through stem. 4th number, which one is a botanical seed? A. Maize, B. Mustard, C. Jute and D. Ginger. Botanical seed is jute. Read the following stream and answer the following questions 5 number and 6 number. Mukul Master saw a farmer using manure in a dry paddy field. He advised him not to use manure in such a condition. Okay, when should the farmer mentioned in the stream use manure? After controlling weeds, after irrigation, after spreading pesticide, after drying up the land by irrigation. So look here, when should the farmer mentioned in the stream use manure? It is after irrigation. After irrigation, the farmer should use the manure in the field. Answer number B, after irrigation. Next, in the stream, the teacher advised the farmer to abstain from using manure because water keep the plant nutrients in the soil in soluble form. 2. Paddy sapling will be burned if manure is used in dried land. 3. If manure is used in dried land, it cannot mix with soil easily. That means, so which of the following is correct? Yes, option number 1, 2, 3. Water keep the plant nutrients in the soil is soluble form. Yes, this one. Paddy saplings will be burned if the manure is used in dried land. Yes, if manure is used in dried land, it cannot mix with soil easily. D number 1, 2, 3. Next, which element is called the life of a living things? We all know. So look at the option A, food, no, B, air, C, water and D, cloth. Life of the living being is water. Which is an organic fertilizer? Wild cake, gypsum, urea, TSP. These all are chemical fertilizer. Only wild cake is organic fertilizer. Now to have from 9 number, we will go to next page. So look here. Okay, we have got here up to 8. Now look. Read the following stream, answer to the questions number 9 and 10. Kamal sinks his hand up to elbow into the water of pond and he can see his palm. According to the advice of fishery officer, he uses inorganic matter and can see the water color green in the second week. One day, fishes float in shoal in the pond in the third week. So look here, what does the water of Kamal's pond indicates? A. Manure deficiency, B. Sunlight deficiency, C. Unsuitability of fish culture and D number presence of natural food. So look here, indicate the presence of natural food. 10 number, who advised Kamal to use inorganic matter in his pond? A. Agriculture officer, B. Grassroots level of official employee, B. So look here, it will be C, but by mistake it is written here B. And D number livestock officer and D number fishery officer. Okay, fishery officer is the correct answer. 11 number, plants absorb water through dash, a roots, leaves, branches, fruits. It is roots. Plants absorb water through roots. Read the following passages and answer the questions number 12 and 30. This year, due to less rainfall, shortage of water occurs in Kamal's paddy field. So he talks to the agriculture officer. The officer advises him to use underground water. Okay, look, 12th number. The method suggested by the agriculture officer to Kamal is called A. Watering, B. Irrigation, C. Water treatment, D. Spraying. Yes, using underground water is related to irrigation. Option number B. Now 13 number MCQ. The sources of irrigations are 1. Ponds, ditches, rivers. Which of the following is correct? So look here, following is correct: ponds, ditches and river. That means all are correct. D number 1, 2, 3. The sources of surface water are, okay, look here. Yes, these questions come 2 times, no problem. Of irrigations are these 2 times, and so look here. Here it is irrigations, and another one is surface water. Okay, don't forget. It is the sources of surface water: rivers, ponds, marshes. This, which of the following is correct? This one is also answer number D. 1, 2, 3. Now 14 number finished. Now we will go to 15 number. Read the following passages and answer the questions number 15 and 16. Jamil is facing the problem of poisoning in his pond. It is caused due to the increasing of specific gas in the water. Okay, next 15 number. Due to the increasing of which gas Jamil is facing the problem of poisoning? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen and D. Hydrogen. Carbon dioxide. Due to increasing carbon dioxide, this problem is occurring, or he is facing such kind of problems. Now 16 number. How can Jamil solve this problem? 1. By controlling the organic matter, by maintaining the pH of water, by creating wave on the surface of water. Which of the following is correct? So look here, it is by controlling organic matter. So look here, option number A is the appropriate answer. So the Jamil should control the organic matter using in his. Okay, next 17 number. The elements that increases the fish food in water: A. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and oxygen. So the elements that increase the fish food, it is phosphorus. Phosphorus helps the fish food in the water. Okay, 18 number. The amount of water in the human body is about 50%, 40%, 60%, 70%. Yeah, 70%. Next, animals need water for 1. Digestion, 2. Metabolic activities, and 3. Emitting polluted water from the body. These 3 are the answer. That means option number 1, 2, 3, D is the appropriate answer. Animals need water for digestion, yes. Metabolic activities, yes. Emitting polluted water from the body, yes. Now 20 number. How much water does a milking cow need to drink daily? A. 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 60 to 70. It is 30 to 40 liters. Okay, 21. It is estimated that a hen daily drinks 5 to 60 milli of water, 100 to 20 milli of water, 2,000 to 3,000, 3,000 to 4,000. So look here, it is 2,000 to 3,000 milli of water. Milliliter, ml means milliliter. Next, the plants that grow from bulb is ginger, tomato and turmeric. Which of the following is correct? It is, so look here, it is 1 and 3. That means ginger and turmeric. This one is the answer. This option number C, 1 and 3. Ginger and turmeric is the appropriate answer. Now we will go to next page. This is our last page. Which soil contains more than 70% of sand particles? A. Loamy soil, B. Sandy soil, silty soil and clay soil. So look here, soil contains more than 70% sand particles. It is sandy soil. Chemical properties of soil means 1. Acidity and alkalinity, presence of microorganisms, salinity of soil. Look, which of the following is correct? It is 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. So look here, chemicals of properties of soil means it will be 1 and 3. That means acidity and alkalinity, yes, and salinity of soil. That means 1 and 3. Option number B. Properties of soil: 1. Physical, biological and chemical. Which of the following is correct? Properties of soil represents 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3 and D 1, 2, 3. So look here, properties of soil means physical, biological and chemical. These three things represents the properties of soil. What influence crop production? So look here, 1 soil texture, B soil structure and C it is soil density. Which of the following is correct? Yes, here is also we got what influence the crop production? Soil texture, yes, soil structure, soil density. D number answer. Physical properties of soil. So look here, salinity, alkalinity, soil density, functions of microorganism. Okay, it will be soil density. This one is the physical properties of soil. 28th number. The best temperature range for rui or carp culture is, so 25 to 30 Celsius, 20 to 25 Celsius, 30 to 45 Celsius. So look here, 40 to 50 Celsius. Yes, we know that means the best temperature range for rui culture, rui or carp culture is 25 to 30 Celsius. A. What degree of PHP is helpful the growing food in a pond? A. 5.5 to 6.3, 6.5 to 8.5, 4.5 to 7.5, 8.5 to 10.5. So look here, it will be standard is 6.5 to 8.5. Last MCQ. Agronomical seeds. Answer, T-cell gourd root, vine of sweet potato, and 3 number is turmeric bulb. Which of the following is correct? It is agronomical seeds represent T-cell gourd root, yes, vine of sweet potato, yes, and turmeric bulb. That means all are correct. Option number D is the appropriate answer. So with this MCQ, dear learners, today we have learned chapter 3 MCQ 1 to 30. Please keep practicing at home and do your homework. Yes, one thing is left. Yes, your homework is, it will be, I am giving, this is your 11th number homework, okay, and you will do MCQ only 1 to 5, not more. 1 to 5, only 5, okay. Please pick up the questions, then answer. Pick up. Okay, look here, I am telling again for the last time. MCQ number 11, so look here, it is homework number 11, MCQ 1 to 5. Please pick up the questions and answer. Dear students, see you inshallah again. Assalamu alaikum.